Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a small program in Python. Okay, so you can see this is the rapplelit.com, the Rapple editor. Okay, I'm going to use this editor. I'm clicking on the create Rapple, and here you can see many language options are available. Okay, so click on Python because we are going to create a program in Python. And what is the topic of today's program? The topic is uh, create a table. Okay, we are going to create a table of any number. Okay, so you can write table here. The title is table. I'm clicking on the create tuple. Okay, so as you can see, uh, I hope many of you like who are using like uh, programming thing, so they know the Apple platform. If you don't know, I'm going to show you. Just give me 1 second. Okay, so in this RAPL, this is the name of your file. It is mentioned here. Okay, and here we need to type the whole code. Okay, this is our editor. You need to type the code, and this is your output window. Okay, so you need to remember like your file extension of Python file is always with the .py. Okay, so let's start the code. Okay. So the topic of today's program is table of any number. Okay, we are going to create a table. So I hope everybody know what is the table. Table means like for example, if you need to print the table of two, how can we make? It will be two ones are two. Okay, so we are going to make like that way. Okay, two ones are two, then two twos are four. Okay, then two threes are six. Okay, everybody know this thing, no need to write. Okay, so we are going to create this thing. Okay, how can we do that? Let's start. Okay, so I'm going to start here. Okay, so you need to start from here. So the first thing what we want, we are going to write the print statement. Let's print tables. Okay, now what is the next step? The next step we need to know what is the number. Okay, so we are going to take the input. Okay, so here I'm going to create a variable number. Okay, and I'm going to write the input statement. I'm going to write int, and I'm going to write input. I hope you know what is the int means integer, because we are going to take the integer input. Okay, so right here enter any number. Okay, enter any number. Okay, let's see. I'm clicking on the run. You can see it is showing enter any number. Okay, so whatever the number you want, you can. Now here the main thing is going to come. Okay, so the whole program is going to start with a loop. Okay, like you can see, every time when you are going to make a table, the table is like starting from here. Your number will be okay. Number is going to multiply with one, then two, multiply with 3. Okay, then it will multiply with 4, then it will multiply with 10. Okay, so that means it is coming like a loop. So which loop we are going to use? We are going to use the for loop. Okay, so in the for loop we are going to write I is going to start from 1 to 10. Okay, so I'm going to just writing that thing. Here I'm going to use the for loop. I'm writing here for I in range. We're going to use the range function. So everybody, if you don't know the range function, okay, so range function is always starting like this is the first number where you want to start the value of I, and after that I'm going to write 11. Okay, why I'm writing 11? Because the last number is not going to be include. Okay, because I want 1 to 10, so I need to write 1 to 11. Okay, because the last is not going to include. After that, making the colon sign coming here, and here you need to write print statement. Okay, I'm directly writing print. So the first thing what is coming, the number. Okay, number. Then after that, what is going to come? uh, I'm placing the comma because now I want to print the cross sign. Okay, then comma I, then comma, here you can place the equal to sign, and after that comma. Okay, what will be the next thing? Number multiply I. I hope you know this is the multiplication sign. Doing stop, clicking on the run, enter any number. Let's print the table, enter any number, writing the number is 2 here. Okay, so you can see. So this is the code. Like this way, you can create the table of any number. Clicking on the run again. Right here, the number. You write 6. Running again, enter any number 6. Okay, no need to place the space. Okay, because I pressed the space, that's why it was not working. Okay, so I hope it is very very easy code, and I hope it is clear to you. You can see how we have used the for loop. So what we have written here, I'm just going to explain you once more. This is the number, so that's why it is printing 6 first. After that, the cross sign, it is printing the cross sign. After that, I have written I, so the value of I is going to change from 1 to 10. Okay, so first time it was 1, then I place the equal to. So now last it was what is printing 6 ones are 6. After that it will print 6 twos are 12. Okay, so basically the thing that is working, that is this one only. Okay, this is like how the thing should be print. Okay, that is the logic. Okay, so I hope the code you able to understood. Bye guys, meet you soon in the next session. Okay, thank you.